everybody, and welcome to the Curiosity Show behind the scenes. Today is, well, for me it's Wednesday, but by the time that you're watching this, it'll be Thursday, so happy Thursday. Well, at least the day that this is coming out, you could be watching this on Christmas for all I know. I mean, that Christmas could be on a Thursday this year, but I think you get my point. Well, today is the element of English is easy. Today's element of the week is hydrogen. So anyway, we're going to basically be just looking at some fun facts about hydrogen, and yeah. Anyway, the air conditioner just turned on, so you're gonna have to deal with that. I'm sorry. Well, I mean, I could go and turn it off right now, but I mean, other people need the air conditioner right now, so we're gonna have to do for the moment being. But anyway, hydrogen is element number 1 on the periodic table. You can't really see my periodic table right here, but we got hydrogen right there. It is a diatomic metal. Oh no, rather it is a diatomic non-metal. Sorry, I don't know. I have a periodic table, but I don't know jack about chemistry. I'm hoping maybe we'll learn a little bit about, you know, different elements or whatnot through this weekly series. But anyway, here it is. This is the sun right here, and this is the earth. Just kidding. Hilarious. This is the one proton and neutron in the nucleus of the hydrogen atom, and here is the one electron. Let me just double check that real quick. So we have, yeah, the atomic number. I don't know. I believe that it has one neutron and one proton, but anyway, we'll start here. So we're on Britannica, and we're just going to look at some fun facts about it. Hydrogen is a colorless, odorless, tasteless, flammable gaseous substance that is the simplest member of the family of chemical elements. The hydrogen atom has a nucleus consisting of a proton bearing 1 unit of positive electrical charge, an electron bearing 1 unit of negative electrical charge is also associated with this nucleus. I don't know. Interesting. Under ordinary conditions, hydrogen gas is a loose aggregation of hydrogen molecules. Let me just check what aggregation means in this context. Aggregation, a group, comma, body or mass composed of many distinct parts or individuals. So under ordinary conditions, hydrogen gas is a loose aggregation of hydrogen molecules, each consisting of a pair of atoms, a diatomic molecule, H2. The earliest known important chemical property of hydrogen is that it burns with oxygen to form water. Interesting. So if we get some hydrogen, we get some oxygen, we can create water. How about that? H2O, yes. 2 hydrogens. Indeed, the name hydrogen is derived from Greek words meaning maker of water. So there you go, real creative. Let's check out what we got here. We do know it is a gas, hexagonal. I'm not too sure what that means. Equal relative strength. Okay. So now that we have some basic facts, here we go. Same exact information, more or less. Let's go to some fun facts. Hydrogen is the most abundant element. About 90% of the atoms and 75% of the element mass of the universe is hydrogen, usually in the atomic state or as plasma. Although hydrogen is the most abundant element in the human body in terms of the number of atoms of the element, it's only 3rd in abundance by mass, after oxygen and carbon, because hydrogen is so light. Hydrogen exists as a pure element on Earth as a diatomic gas, H2, but it's rare in Earth's atmosphere because it is light enough to escape gravity and bleed into space. That would explain it being element number 1, having the smallest, I'd say smallest, the smallest atomic weight. Yes. The element remains common at the Earth's surface, where it is bound into water and hydrocarbons to be the 3rd most abundant element. There are 3 natural isotopes of hydrogen: rhodium, deuterium, Tritium. Yes, the most common isotope of hydrogen is protium, which has 1 proton, 0 neutrons, and 1 electron. This makes hydrogen the only element that can have atoms without neutrons. Deuterium has 1 proton, 1 neutron, and 1 electron. Blah 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 blah. Well, I'll just keep reading it for the sake of it because I already decided to start reading it. Although this isotope is heavier than protium, deuterium is not radioactive. Sorry. However, tritium does emit radiation. Tritium is the isotope with 1 proton, 2 neutrons, and 1 electron. Okay, hydrogen gas is extremely flammable. It is used as a fuel by the space shuttle main engine and was associated with the famous explosion of the Hindenburg airship. Okay, interesting. While many people consider oxygen to be flammable, it actually doesn't burn. However, it's an oxidizer, which is why hydrogen is so explosive in air or with oxygen. So let's just check what an oxidizer is, because I feel like most of us don't know. An oxidizing agent. In chemistry, an oxidizing agent is a substance that has the ability to oxidize other substances. Yes, what does that mean? In other words, to accept their electrons. Common oxidizing agents are oxygen, hydrogen peroxide, and the halogens. Okay. The halogens, huh? That makes sense. They're very unstable elements. Hydrogen compounds commonly are called hydrides, yes. Hydrogen may be produced by reacting metals with acids, zinc with hydrochloric acid. The physical form of hydrogen at room temperature and pressure is colorless and odorless gas. The gas and liquid are nonmetal, but when hydrogen is compressed into a solid, the element is an alkali metal. Solid crystalline metallic hydrogen has the lowest density of any crystalline solid. Hydrogen has many uses, though most hydrogen is used for processing fossil fuels and in the production of ammonia. It is gaining importance as an alternate fuel that produces energy by combustion, similar to what happens to fossil fuel engines. Hydrogen is also used in fuel cells that react hydrogen and oxygen to produce water and electricity. In compounds, hydrogen can take a negative charge or a positive charge. Yes, hydrogen is the only atom for which the Schrödinger equation has an exact solution. So before we end this episode, let's just check out what this equation looks like. Yep, I know exactly what all that means. 1000%. Not joking. I am joking. I don't know anything. That's why we're doing this. I'm a moron. I know that's, yeah. Can't learn if you don't look stuff up though, I guess, huh? You can try and logically figure things out, but you need some sort of validation. But anyway, that was your element of the week. Hydrogen. Thanks for watching. Yes, this is hydrogen. Yes. Hydrogen. It's an element. It's my favorite element. Nancy Pelosi, she says, I don't like hydrogen. I say, Nancy, I love hydrogen. You're gonna have to do. Goodbye, world. For now.